What's up, Layze Lifers? Thanks for tuning in. Just got done clay barring my car. God, it is such, like, you can see how smooth and clean it is. I don't know if you've ever clay barred your car before, but if you touch a car that hasn't been clay barred, like, it's a little bit rough even after you wash it and stuff. But when you touch a car that's been clay barred, and this hasn't even been waxed yet, it is smooth. It takes forever though. I can't stand doing this stuff. I only do it once a year, maybe twice a year. If you guys do any clay barring yourself, let me know how many times you guys do it, and if you have like an easier way to do it. I mean, I did the whole car, windows, mirrors, everything, and it took, God, I think it took like 3 hours, maybe 2. But I have a surprise for you. I've got a box that came. Yes, I know the garage is a little dirty or messy, but I just got this box in the other day. I haven't had a chance to open it, so I am going to open it with you guys. It's going to have some cool stuff coming up, all right? Box, because of what it's got in it. All right. Alright, I know what it is. There's supposed to be a couple more boxes coming. This is just the start of it. Yeah, you guys want to take a little more care opening this stuff than I am doing. Let's go look at it in the sun, guys. Alright. So that is my first piece of carbon fiber, and I'll put the link in the description. I want you guys to see how good it looks. It's supposed to have the protective UV coating on it already, but this is supposed to go right there. How does that look, guys? Woohoo! Yeah, that looks hot. Oh, I can't wait to put that on. All right. Well, that's the first piece. Hey, baby.
How you doing?
I'm good. Just doing some filming. You're on camera.
No, it better not be.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay.
All right. So this is the second piece. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, that's nice. Sorry, got the 3M tape on it. Can't install this stuff today, but I just wanted to show you guys the first two pieces of this transformation. The Q50s didn't come with a diffuser, so this will actually go like this. Yeah, oops, right there, guys. And yes, I see that paint mark. So maybe I'll do another one. This is just an unboxing, but when I get to put this on, you guys will see. But woohoo, guys! I know the car builds part, the fancy parts are the most exciting. So thank you guys for subscribing and joining with me, and we are getting started on this transformation. All right, I hope you guys have a good day. We'll see you back and we'll do some installs. All right, peace and have a happy Layze life.
Next level.
Layze.
Life for us is
Layze.
life for us. Static treated, we get tricks. Static says we get tricks. It's
Layze.
life